Moreskids.bigcartel.com. I need one of these shirts. No. I need 2 of them. No, I need like another one. And another one. I need like 3 more. Maybe one in a medium.
DJ, what are you doing?
Nothing. I'm not... Bad news. The wheel that we resealed forever ago no longer holds air. So we're going to be dealing with that today. We're also going to be checking up on my 240. So I should say, it's been a minute since we uploaded. That is because we filmed an entire video the day before Quentin recently left to go visit his girlfriend in Arizona. And we ended up losing the footage for it. I think it was like on a card that was somebody else's and the cards got swapped around. What we're doing today is, number one, that front right tire that we resealed a few videos ago, it no longer holds air. We're going to the shop. I'm gonna borrow some wheels from Caleb, who we rent the shop with. I'm gonna send that wheel off to have it rebuilt by a professional who knows what they're doing.
That's how you lose those, DJ.
No, I don't know. I never lost anything in my life. Yeah, this is the one we did. Planned it.
That's gonna look wild.
It clears the brakes.
Yeah, no problem.
That's good.
Are your back lug nuts extended too?
No. If it works, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Safety first. Well, if it works, it works. Well, it doesn't look good.
It's terrible.
Yeah, it's bad.
It'll get you from A to B though.
Yeah.
Until those stop acting up.
Pollen is transferred from the male part to the female part by either.
Shouldn't rub though.
Definitely won't rub. Might scrape. Continuing with the theme of all my cars being fucked.
Yeah.
So this guy blew it up at the track, put another motor in it. It sat for like a month. I drove it here because our shop landlord wanted less cars in the driveway. I drove it after it sat for like a month, and I think all the coolant leaked out and it overheated on the way home. And then I haven't touched it since. So we're gonna put some coolant or put some water in it, make sure the head gasket's okay. It should be fine, but didn't overheat that bad, and it only overheated like one time for a few minutes. This is what you want to use. Distilled water's for bitches. When we did the motor swap, we had to kind of make do with the heater hoses that connect to the car. And so, like 2 of them leak. They just need a new hose clamp. When I backed this car out of the driveway at the shop to drive it home, there's just a big puddle under it. And I was like, that'll be fine. Turns out I was wrong. Well, let's see if it starts. Damn, she's really dead. These things usually go hard as fuck. That should do it. It's running. It's charging. So that just means this battery is unbelievably fucked.
idled for like half an hour, and then we drove it home, which is like probably 10 minutes. Shut off the car when it heated and like coasted for a while. And then when I tried to start the car again, it wouldn't even try to crank. So this battery is just completely zapped.
The crotchety neighbor's gonna come.
Oh, there's that chain rattle again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like as soon as the oil gets warm, it like loosens itself up and starts rattling. Basically, I need to run through and make a list of shit that I need to fix on this.
It's not a bad car.
Yeah.
And all the stuff that needs to be fixed is like pretty simple.
Super easy. Put a new battery in it, put a new throwout bearing in it. It's probably gonna be it.
Yeah. Spiders?
Some spiders?
They're scary.
That's dinner right there. They look like chia seeds.
It's
like
caviar.
You could sprinkle that on your bagel.
On your toast,
Yeah.
Would that be a good protein source?
It's probably all protein, but it's such a small quantity. No! I was just holding it.
Everything DJ touches breaks.
Yeah.
Oh, like we had to put these wheels on this so that way we could get the Viennas fixed.
Yeah.
And we were driving around, we're like, oh, there's probably a rock in the tire. But it turns out there's a screw in the tire.
I was like driving down the road and I was like, oh, there's a rock stuck in the tire from the gravel outside of the shop. So I think when I put this on, it had a nail in it, or a screw in it.
Yeah.
Already. That's not ideal. I guess I'll shut it off. That is bad, generally. Well, I don't have the time to fix that today, so I just intended to film a real quick little update about my cars. But, so this one's doing great. The other one's doing fantastic. Everything's going real smooth. When Quentin gets back from Arizona, I'm sure we'll do a full day on this car. I'll replace that hose, and we'll get this thing ship-shape. Hello. I don't know. Car broke. Hope I fix it. She's just pissing. She's just pissing away. That sucks. Super easy fixes on this. Guy just needs a radiator hose and some hose clamps and a new battery and probably a throwout bearing. And so when Quentin gets back from Arizona, we'll probably just spend a day working on this car and it'll be ship shape. And that's gonna be awesome. And then this thing, I just need to get a wheel rebuilt, so that's fine. I have the money to send that off right now and get it rebuilt. And then when it comes back, we're gonna clean the shit out of all of those wheels that I have, polish them up real nice, get some center caps on them. It's gonna be beautiful. Throw them on here, and then I can start worrying about like fun stuff with this. Rear muffler deletes. I'm thinking silver mirror window tint. I'm thinking do a big burnout in that car over there. Putting these wheels on it made me realize how fucked these fenders are. I cannot wait to get those other wheels back on. I actually, like in the long term, I want to, look at don't zoom in. When I get the wheels back on, I want to get some camber in the front, maybe space out the front a little bit so it matches the rear a little closer. But I really want to actually like sand this thing down, do some body work on it, get the fenders like really nice and smooth. There's a bunch of like imperfections on the body all over the car that I can't stop looking at. It'd be awesome to just do all that and then paint this car. I wouldn't paint it black again, but that's all down the road, long distance type shit. This video was just supposed to be a little update about my cars, and hopefully you're feeling updated. Quentin will be back soon, more Corolla content. Cat's here, more Corolla content. Also, the most important thing of all, head over to moreskids.bigcartel.com and get one of the new t-shirts because they're beautiful and they help us survive. So shout out to all the patrons, shout out to everybody who watches. Head over to our Patreon, check that out as well. Thanks for watching. Yeah, nice.